tell me, what has God done for you in 2010 since you started coming to Temple of Restoration?
Well, I've started last year coming and I was very down. I was invited by a friend, Susan, and I was going through some problem with my family. But I prayed and I fasted, and the pastor prayed for me. Everybody else prayed for me, and I thank God, and He has restored my family. And I want to give Him all the glory for what He has done for me throughout this year, and what He's going to do for me in the new year that's coming.
For me to tell you, it needs a book. But honestly, my life has changed a lot because there was a lot of stuff in my life that needed to go. Because before, honestly, a lot of stuff was going on. I was drinking. It was crazy. And then I started coming. And after I started coming, things started getting better. Things started changing. And I gave my life to God. And I mean, there's a lot needs to be shake off and everything, but there's so much a change in my life, and there is so much good things. My heart is so much better. Everything about me is better. Everything. I am not angry the way I used to be. Everything is better. If you know me before, trust me, I am a different person. I'm a new person, and I love every second and every minute. I love it.
Amen. So you've seen a complete change internally,
Yes.
since you started coming to Temple of Restoration.
Yes, yes,
Amen.
yes.
And
yes.
you're believing God to
just pour on me as much as I can hold tonight. I just want everything. I am greedy for it. I can't wait.
all just tell us your name and let us know what the Lord has done for you.
My name is Jacqueline Hanson. Last year, we entered the year of increase, and I believed that it would be my year of increase, but the devil is very busy, and he came to me and manifested himself in my job, and I reached out to Pastor Anthony, and I said, you know, why is it that I work in the accounting field and we have to be placed with clients? And I'm like, why is everybody being placed on a client and not me? And I'm just sitting there doing nothing. But he said to me, Jackie, in order to gain, you have to die. And what he meant by that was I had to humble myself, because I was putting too much of myself out there, like, I know what I'm doing, and your attitude determines your altitude, and I'm giving it all of that. And he says, no, you got to humble yourself. You know what you're capable of. You know what God has placed in you, but you're going to go in there, humble yourself, and say, what do I need to do to get on that client or on that client? And I left there thinking, okay, if he's done it for the bishop, Pastor Ben, and Pastor Anthony, because those were the three people that came up to me, he can do it for me. So I went and I humbled myself, and the situation manifested where supervisors